Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's app is specially for the drinking enthusiasts who are fond of different cocktails and mocktails. So before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe to our channel, and if you enjoy our content, do like our video and share our video as well. So let's start. So the name of the today's app is Drinks Free. So it has more than 8,000 free cocktails available with the recipes and the procedures to make the cocktails and mocktails. So let's just get to mobile screen and explore it, what kind of cocktails it has and what all user interface it has. So let's get to the mobile screen. So here's the app guys, 8500 plus drink recipes. So it has some other name on the app store, and the name what you see on the home screen is something different. So as you can see, it shows drinks free here, and on the app page it shows 8500 drinks and recipes. So I've already downloaded, so let's just open this app. So it has 4.7 rating, so it's all from the drinking enthusiast. So here's the home screen. So these are the basically what you call the favorite or star marked drink. So if you look for Cosmopolitan, so here's the ingredients required: one oz vodka, half oz triple sec, half oz rose sweetened lime sim, and half oz cranberry juice. You need to click on each of this, and you need to go for instruction. So it gives you instruction how you can make the drink. So if you go to all drinks section, you have list of drinks. So it's arranged alphabetically. You can search for your favorite drink as well for here. So let's just search for mojito. So here's the mojito. So you have basically three different types of mojito: basic mojito, mojito 2, mojito 3, and mojo. So basically these all are alcoholic drinks, and similar way you also have it on depending upon categories. So if you are looking for beer, cocktail, coffee or tea, homemade liquor, and ordinary drink, or many more, so you can go by category wise as well. And there is a section called as random. So you get random drinks, you just try and enjoy them. So you just need to shake the device, I believe. And yes, here is another drink, and here's another drink. So similar way you get different drinks, randomized section. And there's a section of ingredients. So let's just go, let me just remove all this. So there is a section for ingredients where you can add whatever ingredients you have, whatever drinks you have, and it will suggest you your cocktails or mocktails depending upon whatever stock you have. So if I select absinthe, so let's just select some random. Because if you're having a limited stock, you can't make a cocktail, because each cocktail has some or the other requirements which you need. So let's just go for done, and there are option drinks that contain any of these ingredients. So if I search, I'll get the drinks, the list of drinks which contain any of this content. If I go back, I have an option drinks I can make with these ingredients. So if I search, so here are limited drinks. So as you can see, there is a lock symbol in front of it. So this is basically a paid section. So it has a paid section which has 3 days trial, and after that it's costing $7.99 per month. So I don't think like why they have put a paid section on a regular app, but it's definitely because they have made some efforts to make this app. So I believe you should pay if you are looking to buy a premium version. And there is option of drinks that contain all of these ingredients. So if you search, so there are no drinks which contain all of these ingredients. So yes, that was for the app. So download your app for yourself, look what drinks you can make, and comment me down in the comment section below and let me know how was your experience using this app. And there is an option like it has many different features as well, so like live wallpaper, cool wallpaper, daily carb booms, soul search, and many more. So basically I don't believe there's anything related to this drink section, but yes, the app has a pretty good interface, and it has many more things which can be useful for many drinking enthusiasts. So yes, that was it for today's video. If you have watched the video this long, so don't forget to hit subscribe. And yeah, that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.